Recently, some Android users keep saying apps keep stopping or crashing on Android. Now, if you find your mobile keeps showing Google keeps stopping or setting keeps stopping, or if you have these issues with any other apps, don't worry, because after analyzing the issues, here I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix keep stopping on Android. So, let's get started. First, before you start, you need to run a test for apps. So, open the Google Play Store, tap Profile, tap Play Pretest, tap Scan. After that, this will show harmful apps if you have any. Now, if it shows so harmful apps found, follow the next way. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Memory Extension, toggle this option. Now, go back, scroll down and tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. After this process, now move on and follow the second process. To follow the second process, open Setting, scroll down, tap App, tap Manage Apps. Look for the apps that you are having issues with. For me, it's Google and Setting. Now, first, I'll look for a Google Play server. Tap on it, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now follow the third process. Open the Google Play Store, search for the apps that you are having a problem with gaming. Make sure to update the apps on your Android device. After following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve apps and keep stopping issues on Android. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.